Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can make them less tart by creating a quick, simple syrup. Mix equal parts sugar and water and bring it to a boil until it forms a semi-thick syrup. Add this to your sauce to reduce the tartness of the berries. You can also add a teaspoon of honey to cut through the tartness if you desire.
Take our lead.
Homemade cranberry sauce is meant to thicken, or gel, while cooking. Try reducing the sauce down even further so more of the liquid cooks off and the mixture thickens. If that doesn't work, add a thickener like gelatin, pectin or a cornstarch slurry, cornstarch whisked into juice or water.
Take our lead.
There is an important difference between cranberry sauce and cranberry relish, and that is that cranberry relish is made from raw ingredients blended in a food processor. It's more fresh and tart tasting. And cranberry sauce is cooked and often much sweeter than relish.
Let's help you make your mark.
10 to 14 days. Start by storing it in a covered glass or plastic container. Properly stored, homemade cranberry sauce will keep in the refrigerator for 10 to 14 days. If you'd like to keep it for longer than that, pour the sauce into covered airtight containers or freezer-safe bags and freeze.
Take our lead.
Canned cranberry sauce hacks. Add orange and spice. Remove the cranberry sauce from its can. Mix in whole cranberries. In a medium mixing bowl, empty canned cranberry jelly and use whisk to break down the shape. Finish your dish with this. After plating your canned whole cranberry sauce, finish it with freshly chopped rosemary or a fruit zest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.